Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create an event on your Discord server. So over here at the top we have the events, so let's click on that. And then over here we have the create event button, so let's click that. Over here you can decide where is your event. You can decide whether it is in the voice channel or somewhere else. Over here you can also see the description of these two options. I'm gonna choose voice channel in this example, and then I can also select which voice channel will be the event on. So I'm gonna choose general. Now let's go next. Over here we have event topic. Here we can decide what's the event about. So we can let's say type discussing memes. Now we have start date. Here we can click on this calendar icon where we can set the date. Let's say we're gonna choose this one. On the right side we have the time, start time, so let's say 9 p.m. and if we want so we can also provide a description. We're gonna talk about memes. And below that we have the cover image, so we can use a banner in order to have some visuals. Let's click on upload cover image, and then you can decide which image you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one, and of course you can adjust it, and we can press apply. Now after setting everything up, we can press next, and that's pretty much it. Now we can only press create event to finalize the setting up of the event. So let's press that, and now we have received the link. We can copy it in order to send it to our friends. However, keep in mind that the invite link expires in 7 days. Over here now you should see the event in the list of events, and we can also click on the share button in order to create a new invite link if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.